Are you looking to take good photos of your own family? Taking family photos can be frustrating, especially when you want to be in the photo too. Don't worry, you're not alone. I am here to guide you step by step on how to take great family photos without learning photography in depth. Don't worry, I'll explain each step as we go along. But a broad outline of what we'll be covering are camera settings, best location and time, right clothes to wear, preparing your family, managing on the day, selecting the best photo, editing the photo, and taking it further. Camera settings to use for family photography. Bring out your camera manual and do the following settings. If you can't find it, you can download it online. Set ISO to 200, set white balance to cloudy, set focal length to 55 mm, select shutter priority mode, set shutter speed to 1/125th of a second, select continuous shooting mode. Also check that the battery is fully charged, SD card has enough memory, the tripod is working fine. You may also want to buy a remote release so that you can be in the photograph while also clicking the shutter button. Pick a large park that you can go to. In addition to good light, you will also get good background. Do not select a small park even if your family loves it because of the lake or the birds and the flowers in it. Nearby cars and buildings will be visible and this will take away from the beauty of your lovely family photo. Schedule 11 am to 3 pm on a cloudy day. This type of diffuse light is great for family photos. This one tip alone will greatly improve your family photos. Now look up the map of this park online. Pick a west-facing large open green space. Your family will be with their backs to this green space. Their faces will be lit up while the background is dark. If your family will sit on the grass, place a white mattress protector that you don't mind getting dirty and is large enough for all of your family to sit on. The white color will reflect on your skin and produce a nice catch light or glint in the eyes. This makes the picture look lively. This girl is sitting on a pale blue mattress protector. What to wear for a family photo shoot? Pick a plain top or outfit in a neutral color like grey, black or dark blue. Avoid tops with printed slogans. Avoid mixing patterns like checks, dots and stripes. Take what everyone else is wearing into consideration. Green is a color that can be paired with either cool or warm colors. Small pops of bright colors like red can add to the attractiveness of the photo. Preparing your family for the photo shoot. Manage your family's expectations. Ensure that the kids are fed and rested. Tell your family that it will be an approximately 4-hour photo shoot. Tell them that there will be minimal directions, no awkward posing or forced smiles. Relax and enjoy the family outing. When you reach the spot that you picked earlier, take a test shot. Make your family sit with their backs to the green space. Place the tripod 6 feet in front of them. Ensure that the camera is at eye level. The heads should neither be too far or too near the top edge. Sit tightly together, think happy thoughts, keep the remote pressed for 2 seconds at a time. If there are bright areas in the background, you may want to change the location. Click tons of pics to get that one great photo. The boy on the left is 2 feet away from the green space. The background is in focus. This method works if the green space is a few feet wide. The family on the right is 30 feet away from the green space. The background is blurred. This method works if the green space is huge, about 50 to 100 feet at least. Selecting the best photo and editing it. Transfer photos from your camera to your computer. View them as thumbnails. Select the photo with best emotion. Open it in Microsoft Office Picture Manager. It's a free software that comes with Windows on all PCs. If you are familiar with advanced photo editing software like Photoshop, then you do not need the steps that follow. Maximize it to 100% and check that the eyes are in sharp focus. If the eyes are blurred, go back to the thumbnails and repeat this step for 1 or 2 photos clicked before and after this photo. Now that you have selected the photo, we can move on to editing it to make it look even more awesome. While looking at the photo, ask yourself these questions. Does the skin look too light or too dark? If it is too light, open in MS Office Picture Manager, click Edit Pictures in the top ribbon. Click Brightness and Contrast. Now reduce brightness until you are happy with the skin tone. If the skin looks too dark, click Edit Pictures, click Brightness and Contrast. Now increase mid-tones until you are happy with the skin tone. Check the corners and edges for any unwanted items. If yes, click on Edit Pictures in the top ribbon, click Crop. In Crop settings, select the aspect ratio as 4:6. You will see black handles at the corners and edges. Drag the handles inwards to remove the unwanted items and save the photo. You now have your awesome family photo. Adding variation in location and posing ensures that photos look different from previous sessions. For more photography tutorials like this, please subscribe to my blog. Thank you for watching.